Keep your HVAC system running smoothly with Pioneer Plumbing HVAC services. At Pioneer Plumbing, we believe that regular maintenance is essential to ensure your system is functioning efficiently. If, for some reason, your HVAC system does break down, you'll want to hire a pro. Our technicians will diagnose and repair any problem, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round. Don't wait until it's too late. Call us to schedule HVAC maintenance with Pioneer Plumbing today. We'll keep your HVAC system in top condition.